Welcome. I am your host, Luca, and today we are going to make, that's right, a beautiful, delicious, moist red velvet cake. You'll love it. It's fantastic. Beautiful. So if you're excited and you're ready to rock, let's get rolling. This is Cooking at Home with Luca. Start by sifting 3 cups of cake flour, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Continue by adding 3/4 cups of unsalted butter, 2 cups of granulated sugar, followed by 2 eggs and mixing until creamed. Don't forget to stop and scrape down your sides to incorporate all that fantastic goodness. Continue making your cake batter by adding 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 cup of buttermilk, a half a cup of vegetable oil, a splash of beautiful vanilla extract, followed by a tablespoon of white vinegar and red food coloring to tint your red velvet cake red. Continue by adding your dry ingredients into your wet ingredients and continuing to mix. Grease your springform pan thoroughly with some unsalted butter. Add your cake batter to your pan. All right, we got our cake batter made. It's ready to go in the oven. 325 is our baking temp. Middle rack is where you want to bake it at. We're going to bake it for about 35 minutes. And when you'll know that it's ready, slide a little toothpick in the center. Comes out clean. Is good to eat. So store it in the oven. And we'll be back. We'll start making our cream cheese frosting. Beautiful, fantastic. You'll love it. All right, our cake is out of the oven. It's beautiful. It's fantastic. It's set aside. We're going to let it cool down. It's got to be completely cool before you can frost it. So while it's doing its thing and cooling down, we're going to go ahead and start making our cream cheese frosting to top the cake with a little twist. So if you're excited, you want to know what that little twist is, keep on watching. Let's get rocking. For your cream cheese frosting, you want to use 500 grams of cream cheese, 1.5 cups of unsalted butter, 5.5 cups of powdered sugar, followed by 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and 2 to 3 tablespoons of fantastic, delicious Nutella for that nice little twist. Continue watching the video. Oh yeah, and a little splash of vanilla extract never hurt anybody. Keep on watching. Beautiful, delicious red velvet cake. Fantastic, delicious. You'll love it. It's so good. I couldn't even finish filming my last shot and already half of it's been eaten. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that notification bell so you get alerted when I upload new and fantastic recipes like this one. Till next time, to tavola a mangiare. Ciao.